Crash Course, Colonial Architecture in Peru. Introduction. Peru, a country rich in history and cultural heritage, is renowned for its magnificent colonial architecture. The influence of Spanish colonization is evident in the impressive structures that adorn the cities and towns across the country. From ornate churches and grand palaces to charming plazas and elegant mansions, Peru's colonial architecture is a testament to its past and a delight for architecture enthusiasts. In this crash course, we will delve into the fascinating world of colonial architecture in Peru, exploring its history, unique features, and top 12 examples that showcase its splendor. Story 1. The Splendor of Plaza de Armas. One cannot talk about colonial architecture in Peru without mentioning the iconic Plaza de Armas. Located in the heart of Lima, the capital city, this historic square is surrounded by magnificent buildings that exemplify the colonial style. The grandest of them all is the government palace, which serves as the official residence of the President of Peru. With its stunning balconies, intricate details, and elegant arches, the government palace is a true architectural gem that reflects the grandeur of the colonial era. Story 2. The enigmatic charm of Arequipa. Arequipa, known as the White City, is another treasure trove of colonial architecture. Its historic center is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is home to numerous stunning buildings. One such example is the Santa Catalina Monastery, a captivating complex that dates back to the 16th century. Its vibrant blue and orange walls, quaint streets, and hidden courtyards make it a must-visit attraction for anyone exploring colonial architecture in Peru. Top 12 Interesting Colonial Architecture in Peru. 1. Cusco Cathedral, Cusco. 2. Church of San Francisco, Lima. 3. Santo Domingo Church, Lima. 4. Cathedral Basilica of Arequipa, Arequipa. 5. Church of La Compañía de Jesus, Arequipa. 6. Archbishop's Palace, Lima. 7. Casa del Moral, Arequipa. 8. Church of San Pedro, Cusco. 9. Casa Goyeneche, Arequipa. 10. Casa de Aliaga, Lima. 11. Torre Tagle Palace, Lima. 12. Church of San Blas, Cusco. Summarizing our exploration of colonial architecture in Peru, we have discovered the beauty and grandeur of buildings that have stood the test of time. From Lima to Cusco, Arequipa to Trujillo, each city boasts unique structures that tell the story of Peru's colonial past. The fusion of Spanish and indigenous influences has resulted in a distinctive architectural style that continues to captivate visitors. Poem. In Peru's lands of history profound, colonial architecture can be found. From Lima's plazas to Arequipa's charms, the past whispers through the wall's arms. Cusco's cathedral, a majestic sight, stands tall in the ancient Inca's light. San Francisco's church, a treasure divine, a testament to Peru's colonial line. Arequipa's cathedral, a marvel of grace, reflects the city's colonial embrace. La Compañía de Jesus, an architectural gem, with intricate details that transcend. Archbishop's Palace, a palace of might, where history unfolds, day and night. Casa del Moral, a mansion so grand, with stunning courtyards, a sight to withstand. San Pedro's Church in Cusco's embrace, a colonial gem with charm and grace. Casa Goyeneche, a mansion of fame, Arequipa's pride, with a storied name. Casa de Aliaga, a house of old, witnessing history, its tales untold. Torre Tagle Palace, a symbol of pride, Peru's colonial heritage, side by side. San Blas Church, with its artisan touch, a testament to craftsmanship, never too much. In Peru's colonial architecture, we see the blending of cultures, a legacy. Song. Verse 1. In the land of Peru, where history resides, colonial architecture, a sight that mesmerizes. From Lima to Arequipa, the buildings so grand tell the tales of the past, as we walk hand in hand. Chorus. Oh, colonial architecture, a treasure so fine, with ornate details that stand the test of time. In Peru's embrace, we marvel at the sight of the buildings that shine in the golden sunlight. Verse 2. Cusco Cathedral, a symbol of power and might. San Francisco's church, bathed in sacred light. Arequipa's cathedrals, with beauty untold. La Compañía de Jesus, a story to behold. Chorus. Oh, colonial architecture, a treasure so fine, with ornate details that stand the test of time. In Peru's embrace, we marvel at the sight of the buildings that shine in the golden sunlight. Bridge. Archbishop's Palace, Casa del Moral too. Witness the history, in every corner, it's true. San Pedro's Church, Casa Goyeneche so grand, a legacy of beauty, across the land. Chorus. Oh, colonial architecture, a treasure so fine, with ornate details that stand the test of time. In Peru's embrace, we marvel at the sight of the buildings that shine in the golden sunlight. Algro. In Peru's lands of history profound, colonial architecture can be found. A testament to the past, a beauty to behold. Discover Peru's charm, a story untold. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.